Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor TV antennas that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Before TV antenna, a budget-friendly option that offers solid performance for its price. This antenna is designed for rural and suburban areas, providing a 150-mile range for receiving HD digital broadcast signals. It supports 4K and 1080p resolutions, making it perfect for viewers who want to enjoy live TV without the hefty cable or satellite fees. The package includes a wireless remote, a 25-foot coaxial cable, and a mounting pole, simplifying the installation process. In terms of design, the Before antenna has a durable build with a grounding feature for weather resistance. It also includes a built-in low-noise amplifier and 360-degree rotation, ensuring optimal signal reception. While its performance is reliable, it doesn't quite match the extended range or advanced features of more premium models. The dual TV support is a nice touch, but might be limited by the shorter coaxial cable length compared to other products. Overall, this antenna is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who need a straightforward solution for accessing local HD channels. Its affordability is its biggest strength, but the range and durability might feel limited for those in areas with weak broadcast signals. Pros include its price, easy installation, and decent performance, while cons are its relatively short cable and lower range compared to higher-end models. Coming in at number 4 is the 5-star TV antenna, a versatile Yagi-style antenna that boasts a 200-mile range. This model is perfect for users in rural areas who want to cut the cord and access free local channels in 4K, 1080p, and 720p resolutions. Its innovative design features extended antenna elements for enhanced signal stability and reception, making it a reliable choice for areas with challenging broadcast conditions. The package includes a 40-foot coaxial cable and a mounting pole, giving you flexibility in installation. Build quality is where the 5-star antenna shines. It's constructed with durable materials that are weatherproof and lightning protected, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh conditions. Additionally, the upgraded smart chip reduces signal noise interference, helping you achieve clearer reception of VHF and UHF channels. However, the antenna requires full assembly, which might be a drawback for users who prefer a plug-and-play solution. This model is ideal for households that need robust signal reception over long distances. It's priced competitively for its features, but may require careful installation to maximize its capabilities. Pros include its extended range, strong build quality, and innovative design, while cons are its assembly requirements and slightly higher price compared to basic models. At number 3, we have the GE Outdoor HD Digital TV Antenna, a well-rounded option for both urban and suburban users. This antenna offers a 70-mile range and supports 4K and 1080p resolutions, making it a great companion for streaming digital content alongside free local channels. The design is compact and versatile, allowing installation in either your attic or outdoor spaces using the included J-mount hardware. The GE antenna is weather-resistant, ensuring durability over time, and it's next-gen TV, ATSC 3.0 compatible, meaning it's ready for future broadcast standards. While its range is more limited compared to other antennas in this lineup, its performance is consistent and reliable, especially for users who live closer to broadcast towers. The universal compatibility with all TV brands and converter boxes adds to its appeal, making it a versatile choice for most households. This antenna is ideal for users who prioritize ease of installation and compatibility over extended range. It's backed by US-based technical support, adding peace of mind for buyers. Pros include its compact design, reliable performance, and future-proof compatibility, while cons are its shorter range and the lack of advanced features found in premium models. In second place is the PBD WA2608 Amplified Outdoor TV Antenna, a feature-rich model designed for superior signal reception. With a range of up to 150 miles, This antenna provides access to 4K and 1080p free HDTV channels with exceptional clarity. Its standout feature is the 360-degree motorized rotation, which you can control remotely to ensure optimal signal alignment. The dual TV outputs allow simultaneous viewing on 2 screens without needing additional equipment. The design is robust and weatherproof, making it ideal for outdoor use in both urban and rural areas. The included 40-foot RG6 coaxial cable and mounting pole simplify installation, while the next-gen TV ATSC 3.0 compatibility future-proofs your setup for enhanced picture quality and immersive audio when the technology becomes available. Although the price is currently unavailable, this antenna consistently ranks high in customer reviews for its build quality and performance. This model is perfect for households that need flexibility and advanced features like motorized rotation. Pros include its dual outputs, motorized functionality, and durable design, while cons might be its heavier weight and potentially higher price compared to simpler options. Taking the top spot is the Bazaksawi TV antenna, a premium option with an impressive range of 2,900 plus miles. This antenna is designed with cutting-edge technology, including the strongest amplifier and a high-quality 38-foot coaxial cable for optimal signal transmission. It supports resolutions up to 8K, ensuring crystal-clear visuals for modern TVs, and features dual TV support, effectively doubling its value for households with multiple screens. The Bazaksawi antenna is built with durability in mind, featuring advanced interference protection and weather-resistant materials. The 360-degree adjustable reception ensures you can rotate and fine-tune the antenna for the best possible signal without relocating it. This makes it ideal for users in challenging environments or those far from broadcast towers. Additionally, the amplifier boosts signal strength, allowing access to hundreds of free local HDTV channels without pixelation. This antenna is perfect for tech-savvy users who demand the best performance and future-proof features. While its price is higher than other models, the range, build quality, and advanced capabilities justify the investment. Pros include its unmatched range, dual TV support, and premium build, while cons are its higher price and the potential overkill for users in urban areas with strong signals. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.